Welcome back to our channel, food lovers. Today, we're diving deep into the ocean to bring you the 9 most delicious seafood dishes that will tantalize your taste buds and elevate your culinary skills. With fresh ingredients and easy-to-follow instructions, you're going to impress your family and friends with these amazing seafood creations. Let's make your kitchen smell like the seaside. Garlic butter shrimp. Ingredients: 1 pound large shrimp peeled and deveined, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter, 5 cloves garlic minced, 1 teaspoon red pepper flakes, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley chopped for garnish, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: in a large skillet, melt the butter over medium heat. Add in the minced garlic and red pepper flakes, sauté for about 1 minute until fragrant. Toss in the shrimp, season with salt and pepper and cook until they turn pink, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Garnish with fresh parsley and serve with lemon wedges. Enjoy the buttery goodness. Classic fish and chips. Ingredients: 1 pound white fish fillets, cod or haddock, 1 cup all-purpose flour seasoned with salt, 1 cup cold sparkling water, 1 teaspoon baking powder, oil for frying, frozen fries or homemade potato wedges. Instructions: heat oil in a deep fryer or large pot to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. Mix flour, baking powder, and sparkling water to create a light batter. Dip fish fillets in the batter, then carefully fry until golden brown, about 5 to 7 minutes. Serve alongside crispy fries with malt vinegar or tartar sauce for dipping. Lemon herb grilled salmon. Ingredients: 2 salmon fillets, 2 tablespoons olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon fresh thyme chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh rosemary chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: preheat your grill to medium-high heat. In a bowl, mix olive oil, lemon juice, thyme, rosemary, salt, and pepper. Marinate the salmon fillets for at least 15 minutes before grilling. Grill each side for about 4 to 5 minutes until it flakes easily with a fork. A sprinkle of fresh herbs as a finishing touch is delightful. Alright, let's dive into making a spicy tuna poke bowl. Here are the ingredients you'll need: 1 pound of sushi-grade tuna diced, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of sriracha, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Cooked rice, either white or brown, and for toppings: avocado, cucumber, seaweed, sesame seeds, and green onions. Now, for the instructions. In a bowl, mix your diced tuna with the soy sauce, sesame oil, and sriracha. Let it marinate while you prepare your rice and toppings. Once everything is ready, assemble your bowl with a base of rice. Then, top it off with the marinated tuna, avocado, cucumber, seaweed, sesame seeds, and green onions. And there you have it, a delicious spicy tuna poke bowl with the perfect crunch. Next up, we're making creamy seafood pasta. For this dish, you'll need 8 ounces of pasta, either linguine or fettuccine, 1 pound of mixed seafood including shrimp, scallops, and calamari, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, and some fresh basil for garnish. Let's go through the instructions. First, cook the pasta according to the package instructions, then drain and set it aside. In a skillet, heat the olive oil and sauté the minced garlic until it's fragrant. Add your mixed seafood and cook until just opaque. Pour in the cream and Parmesan cheese, stirring well to combine. Toss the pasta with the sauce, garnish with fresh basil, and serve it hot. Enjoy your creamy seafood pasta. Finally, let's make some crispy calamari. You'll need 1 pound of calamari rings, 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, salt and pepper to taste, oil for frying, and lemon wedges for serving. Here's how to prepare it. Soak the calamari rings in buttermilk for at least 30 minutes. Heat oil in a fryer. In a bowl, mix the flour with salt and pepper. Dredge the soaked calamari in the flour mixture and fry until golden brown, which should take about 2 or 3 minutes. Drain on paper towels and serve hot with lemon wedges for a zesty kick. And there you have it, crispy calamari ready to enjoy. Coconut curry mussels. Ingredients: 2 pounds mussels cleaned and debearded, 1 can, 13.5 ounces coconut milk, 2 tablespoons red curry paste, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, fresh cilantro chopped for garnish, crusty bread for dipping. Instructions. In a large pot, combine coconut milk, red curry paste, garlic, and fish sauce. Bring to a simmer. Add mussels to the pot, cover and cook until they open, about 5 to 7 minutes. Discard any unopened mussels, garnish with cilantro, and serve with crusty bread to soak up that fragrant sauce. Stuffed crab shells. Ingredients: 1 pound lump crab meat, half a cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon Old Bay seasoning, 1/4 cup green onions chopped, 4 crab shells or ramekins for individual servings. Instructions. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, combine crab meat, breadcrumbs, mayonnaise, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, Old Bay, and green onions. Spoon the mixture into the crab shells. Place on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden. Serve hot as an elegant starter or main course. Baked shrimp scampi. Ingredients: 1 pound large shrimp peeled and deveined, 4 tablespoons unsalted butter melted, 6 cloves garlic minced, half a cup dry white wine, half a cup breadcrumbs, juice of 1 lemon, 1/4 cup fresh parsley chopped, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a mixing bowl, combine melted butter, garlic, white wine, lemon juice, salt and pepper. Arrange shrimp in a baking dish and pour the butter mixture over the top. Sprinkle with breadcrumbs and parsley. Bake for 15 minutes until shrimp are cooked through and breadcrumbs are golden. Serve warm with a side of crusty bread. And there you have it. 9 seafood dishes that are not only easy to prepare but also incredibly delicious. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or just treating yourself, these dishes will surely make waves on your dinner table. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Which seafood dish are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. As you explore these delightful seafood dishes, remember that cooking is an art, and the kitchen is your canvas. Feel free to experiment with flavors, adjust seasonings, and add your personal touch to each recipe. Freshness is key. Always choose the freshest seafood you can find. Look for clear, shiny eyes and firm flesh for fish, while mussels and clams should be tightly closed when purchased. Don't overcook. Seafood cooks quickly, so keep an eye on it. As a general rule of thumb, it's done when it's opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Get creative with pairings. Serve your seafood dishes with unique sides. Try a zesty citrus salad, herbed rice, or sautéed vegetables to elevate the meal further. Explore regional variations. Each region offers unique seafood recipes. From seafood paella in Spain to bouillabaisse in France, consider incorporating international flavors. We love hearing from you. If you've tried any of these recipes, share your creations on social media and tag us. We're constantly inspired by your cooking adventures, and we might feature your masterpiece in our next video. Subscribe for more. If you're passionate about food and want to discover more incredible recipes, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. We upload new delicious content every week. For our dedicated foodies, we're also offering a free ebook with bonus recipes and cooking tips. Click the link in the description below to grab your copy. Join our vibrant community on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, where we share daily cooking inspiration, behind-the-scenes footage, and interactive cooking challenges. Thank you for joining us on this seafood journey. Whether you're making them for a special occasion or simply to treat yourself, each of these dishes brings the flavors of the ocean directly to your plate. We hope you enjoy every bite and bring your friends along for the cooking fun. Until next time, happy cooking, and let the flavors of the ocean inspire your culinary adventures.